Assalamu alaikum, Shabab. Everybody's fine, mashallah. How are you, brothers? Everybody's fine? That's good. Lot of brothers, they are writing wa alaikum salam. Brother, please talk. Please answer, for the interactive lecture, it is very necessary, to answer by talking, please. Yeah. Thank you very much. Lot of brothers, they are typing wa alaikum salam. So let us start, brothers. Last week we completed the integral action. Any brother has any question for the integral action? Some brother has any question, Shabab? The integral action? That's good. Lot of brother they are saying no. That's good. So let's start then derivative action. Derivative action of a controller. Right, Shabab? So if you guys remember, in the experiment 6 in our lab, in the experiment 6, we have error for proportional band and KC1 proportional band 100 and KC1. What was the error, Shabab? Constant, like this. How much was the error? Somebody remember, Shabab? Constant, that's good. What was the number here? 3%, that's good. Lot of brothers they are writing 3%. 3%, right? And if we make the proportional band like 10 or 1, so the error becomes something like this. Right, Shabab? Like this. So this case we already discussed. If you guys remember, last week we were discussing this case. So we already discussed this case. Now we want to discuss this case today, inshallah. So what we want here? What we want here from the controller, if this type of error is there, what we want from the controller to do?
Make it stay.
A lot of brothers, some brothers they are typing integral, some brothers they are typing derivative. But what we want here, very good. One brother right, we want it more stable. Very good. This is highly unstable. This error is telling the output of the controller is highly unstable. We want to make it relatively more stable. This is our primary cause. This is our primary objective. We want it relatively more stable. So what we should do? What we should do so that we can make it relatively more stable? One brother is writing increase KC. Increase the KC, it will oscillate more. It will start oscillating more. So we cannot do that. So what we should do to make this controller relatively more stable, Shabab? Very good. Brother Ali is replying derivative. Apply the derivative action. Very good. So what happens with the derivative? If we apply the differential of dt of t cube is what, Shabab? It goes to 2t square. We apply the derivative again. It goes to
T, not 2.
t. We apply the derivative again. It goes to 1. There is a constant here. I know there is some constant here 4, right? So it becomes 4. Then again we derivate. It becomes 0. So this one, t square is more stable as compared to t cube. T is more stable as compared to T square, 4 is more stable as compared to T, and 0 is most stable. So we're going to apply the derivative control action. Right, Shabab? So what happens in derivative control action, Shabab? In derivative control action, the output of the controller is proportional to derivative of the error. Derivative of the error. Right, Shabab? Output of the controller is proportional to derivative of the error. Let me write it again. Output of the controller is proportional to derivative of error. So we know as long as the derivative, the proportionality is there, we have a always constant. That's what we say Kc. Right? What is Kc? What is Kc, Shabab? Then we should not say just gain. It is not gain.
Control.
Controller gain. Very good. Very good. Very good. It is controller gain. And again, can we do the derivation forever? Is it possible to push the brake of your car forever? No. Very good. They are typing no. Very good. I am very thankful to the brothers who are talking. Shiva, please try to talk. So it is increasing the, you can say, the stamina of the teacher. So we cannot do the derivative forever. We cannot push the brake forever. We put in sequence, step by step. We push the brake release, push the brake release. So we need to mention here time. That's what we say, derivative time. And obviously it is in minutes. Right, Shabab? So Kc we already know. So which is this error? Which type of error is this? This is Kc, is controller gain. Controller gain. What is this error, Shabab? Which type of error is this? Is it offset error? Is it constant error? This one? No. Very good. Lot of brothers they are saying no. Brother, please talk. Please. Which type of error is this? Sorry? No, it is not offset error. Offset means constant error. If you put here this error constant, it will be 0. d for dt of constant is 0. So which type of error is this? We just remove from here. Highly unstable error. Highly unstable. You remember? Highly unstable. Like this. Highly unstable error. Right, Shabab? That's why we are applying the derivative action to make it relatively more stable. Shabab with me? That's why we are applying the derivative action. Can we apply the derivative action alone? Is it possible to apply the derivative action alone, Shabab?
No.
That's good. So what it should be? How it should work? P, lot of brothers they are saying apply the P first. So why need? From where we are getting this error? This error we are getting from where? From P action. Very good. From P action. Lot of brothers they are writing P action. So it means first we apply the P action, we get this error, then we will apply the derivative action. Okay. So altogether it will be MPD. So MP plus MD. What is MD, Shabab?
KCE MR.
Very good. Very good. KCE plus MR. And what is MD? Output of due to derivative action?
KC
KC, TD, D or DT. Very good. Very good, brother. Very good. So this is the total output. Bow with me.
Yes.
That's good. That's good, mashallah. Yashaba, please read the problem 3.8. Some brother read the problem 3.8, Shabab. Yes, brother, please read the problem 3.8, page 28. Some brother has the book, Shabab? Some brother has book, Shabab? Yes, yeah, please, brother Nurhan.
Teacher.
Please read the problem 3.8, please.
3.8 in testing
please.
ABD. In testing
Very
ABD,
good.
control with a gain of 1 and derivative time of 2 minutes. An error signal as shown below is applied. Calculate and describe how the controller output will respond with time and sketch the response. Show your calculations.
Very good. Very good. So, PD controller is there, Shabab. AC is 1. TED is 2 minutes, right? And error is given, and we need to find output and draw it. How the error look like? Let me draw the error here. This is error is given, Shabab, like this. This is 0, 2, 6. From 0 to 2, error is 5%. Right, Shabab? And at 6, it becomes 25%. So what we are doing, out of the very highly changing error, we are taking just one change and we are going to apply derivative action on it, and we're going to see the result, what happens. So we remember there is a highly changing error was there, so we just take one change out of that and we will apply the derivative action on it and we'll see what happens. Okay, Shabab. So how we should start this question? So where we should start this question? What should be the first step?
Find MP.
Very good. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing. We need to know the parts of the and so how many parts this curve has, Shabab? And now from here actually simple mathematics starts. And will stop here and mathematics start. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 3. Very good, Shabab. Very good. So we have 3 parts. So let's draw the 3 columns like this. Okay, Shabab. So what is the first part? Please tell me.
And error? Error we have.
Equal to what and greater than equal to what?
0 and 2, teacher.
0 and 2.
0
Very
there.
good. And we have minutes. Very good. What is error here?
5.
What is error? 5. Very good. Lot of brothers they are typing 5%. Okay, Shabab. What is here? Is less than equal to what? Greater than equal to what?
Just
2 and 6.
6 and
Very good. Very good. 2 and 6 minutes. And how we gonna find the error here?
Equation of the line.
Very good. Very good. So we will make the equation of the line. So how we gonna put here? This error is greater than or equal to what?
6.
6. Very good. And what is the error here?
25.
Very good. Okay, Shabab, how we'll make the equation of the line here?
Y
Please
minus
tell me.
y1 y2 minus
So we're gonna take this point. What is this point? What is this point, Shabab?
And 5.
2 minutes, very good. And 5%, very good, Shabab. What is this point?
6 and 25.
6 minutes and 25%, very good, Shabab, very good. Okay, so now how we gonna find the equation of the line? What we will do? Y minus y1, 5, or y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 over x2 minus x1. Right, Shabab?
Teacher, 6, not 5. Teacher, not 5. Y minus 6.
Huh?
Oh, okay.
Same, brother?
Everything fine, fine.
No problem, no problem. Anybody can get confused, no problem. Your teacher can get confused, so please help the teacher. So, x minus 2 over 4, y minus 5, 1, 5 over 20. So, 4 into 5, right? So, y is equal to 5x minus 10 plus 5. How much about? 5x minus 5. You are with me? That's good. A lot of brothers are typing yes. Okay. Now, is it really true? This equation is true? Maybe it is wrong. Maybe we have done some mistake. So why don't we just confirm it? So put the x2. If we put the x2, 5 into 2, how much above? 10. 10 minus 5, 5. So it is 5 is there. Right? So if we put the x6, so 6 into 5, 30. 30 minus 5, 25. So that is there, 25. So it means our equation is correct. So how much is the error, Shabab? So error is equal to 5t minus 5%. Right, Shabab? All the brother with me? Shabab with me? That's good. Lot of brothers they are typing yes. That's good. Okay. What is the always first step, Shabab? What is the first step always? MP, very good. Lot of brothers they are writing MP. MP is equal to KCE plus MR. How much KC, Shabab? Very good. Lot of brothers they are typing 1. What is the error? What is the error, Shabab? Yes, Shabab, what is the error?
5, teacher, 5.
5, very
Five.
good. What is MR?
0.
0. MR is not given. So we are not taking 5%. Right, Shabab? Always first step here, how much? MP is equal to KC. How much, Shabab? KC?
1.
1. Error? What is error, Shabab?
5t minus 5.
5t minus 5. Again, MR 0. So 5t minus 5. Luckily, same. What is output here, Shabab? MP is equal to KC. How much?
1.
That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing. So error is 25, so 25%. What is the second step, Shabab? Very good, very good. MD, output due to derivative action. What is MD, Shabab? Please tell me what is the formula for MD?
KC, TD, DE.
Very good. KC, TD, D or DT. So what is KC here, Shabab? KC1. How much TT? How much TT, Shabab? 2. Very good. Lot of brothers are adding 2. Derivative of 5% over dt. So how much? How much, Shabab?
0%, teacher.
0.
0%. Very good. 0%. Okay, second step here. How much KC, Shabab? 1. How much error? Here we're going to put the error or something else. TD, very good. Very good. Lot of brothers are saying TD. So TD is how much? 2. And error, derivative of error, 5t minus 5. How much, Shabab? How much? 10. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are writing 10. Very good. So second step here, MD 0. Because we already know from here, output due to derivative action, because of the error constant, it is 0. So now we can put here directly. Right, Shabab? What is the third step always?
MPD.
Very good. Very good. Lot of brothers are typing MPD. So total output MP plus MD. How much MP, Shabab? 5%, 0%. So 5%. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 5%. Same here. MPD. We can say M in short. M how much? MP 5 t minus 5. This is 10. 5t minus 5 plus 10. How much about? 5t plus 10.
5T.
Sorry?
Plus 5.
5t plus 5%. Yes, Shabab, any question up to here? Some brother has any question? That's good. Lot of brothers they are saying no. Okay. So third step here, MPD. How much, Shabab? 25 plus 0, 25%. Right, Shabab? Any question up to here, Shabab? Yes, brother, any question up to here? That's good. Lot of brothers are saying no. Okay, that's good. So now we need to draw it. Now what we're gonna do, Shabab? We're gonna draw it. Okay. So for 0 to 2 minutes, it is 5% constant. Okay. So what we do? We take this line here as a 0 reference, right, Shabab? And from 0 to 2, it is 5% constant. So we make it like this is 5% line, straight line, 5% constant. Right, Shabab? Now see here we need to calculate. Still we did not calculate here. So M of, what we should put here, Shabab? M of what?
2.
Very good, very good. M of 2. So 5 into 2 plus 5, how much? 15%. Right, Shabab? Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 15. And what should be the second value?
Will be 8.
That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing 6. So M of 6, 5 into 6 plus 5, 35%. That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing 35. Very good. Very good. Okay, Shabab. Now it will raise to where? So at 2, it is going to 15. That's good. So at 2, we will make a line, dotted line here 15, and we will raise it. We all know a dotted line does not have any value. It is just for reference. This dotted line is just for reference. Okay. Then at 6, it goes to 35. Right, Shabab? So we will raise it to 35. Again, we put the dotted line just for the reference. So it will go like this. So again, it is straight line. Right, Shabab? And then, see here, at 6, it comes back to 25. So we will make here a line in the middle. That is 25. This is output percent, and we will bring it down like this. Right, Shabab? Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask. That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing no question. Okay, that's good. Now I have question for you, brothers. All the brothers I have some questions, so I will write them here. First of all, this error is given, this output is given, right? So we need to find KC, we need to find TD, right, Shama? And KC, TD, what is else? Okay, Shama, how are we going to find it? How much is KC?
AC, TD, and MR, teacher.
Yeah, MR we can find, but this is here MR is not given. So, okay, let's start with the MR. Okay, Shabab, how much is MR? Yes, how much is MR, Shabab? 5. 5, lot of brothers are writing 5. How you know it is 5? Very good, brother Ibrahim, he is writing 0. Very good. Yes, brother Ibrahim, how do you know it is 0? Yes, Shabab, please tell me.
Because of 5 and 5. 5 minus 5 is 0.
That's good. Error is starting from 5. Yes, Shabab. Error is starting from 5. Output is also starting from 5. So there is no MR. Both are starting from 5. If there is a MR, output start shifted up. Right, Shabab? If error is starting at 5, output is starting at 5, it means there is no MR. Right, Shabab? And also, the gain is, what is gain?
0, teacher.
0. So MR is 0, and what is the gain? What is the gain, Shabab?
Output over input.
Output over input.
That is 1.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, of course, is one teacher, yes.
Gain is 1. Okay, now what is left now? TD. TD is left. So how are we going to find the TD, Shabab? The TD is 2, but how we find it? From this given thing, how we find it? One brother is writing, find the slope of this. What is slope of this, Shabab? The slope is 5. It is not 5. This line slope is 5. It is not 5. So how we find the TD? What is this, Shabab? This is what? This is MD. From here to here is MD, right? Remember, Shabab?
The time to change for MD to
So MD is how much? How much is MD, Shabab? How much MD? 10. Very good. 10. This is equal to what? AC, DD, D or DT. Right, Shabab? So 10 is equal to KC is how much? 1. DD we need to find. D or DT is how much? You already found the error, right? What was the error? Error was what, Shabab? 5t plus 5%. Remember this thing? 5t minus 5%. This is error. So dt or dt is 5. So how much tt? 10 over 5 is equal to 2 minutes. You are with me?
Yes.
Once again, Baba. Once again, please, everybody pay attention. We need to find what? TD. This TD we want to find. Right, Shabab? One of the maths.
Teacher,
What is this? Yes, brother.
why KC equal 1?
You just found it, KC equal to 1.
Y equal
You
1.
forgot. What is error here? From 0 to 2, what is error? Please tell me, what is error from 0 to 2? 5%. Other brother, they are writing 5%. What is output from 0 to 2? Yes, brother, please tell me, what is output from 0 to 2?
5.
5% again. So 5 divided by 5, how much?
Oh, okay, thank you. 1.
Okay, you are welcome. No problem, no problem. This is good you ask the question. Don't keep question with you. Shiva, please don't keep questions with you. Please ask. So KC1, so how much is this, Shiva? This is MD. This amount is what? MD. How much is this? 35 minus 25. Right? Shiva with me? Okay, a lot of brothers are saying yes. Okay, so brother, please pay attention. This is 35 minus 25, 10. Okay. MD is equal to 10. KC, TD, DO, DT. MD 10, KC we know 1, TD we need to find, and the derivative of error, this is the error you guys found, is 5. So, TD become 2 minutes. Any question up to here, Shiva? That's good. Brother Faris is writing clear. Any other brother, please ask the question. It is simple, inshallah, but if you have question, please ask.
Exam teacher, you will give us the graph and you will ask about these, like gain, data.
Can be. Yeah, can be.
Okay.
Okay, brother. Any other brother has any question, please ask.
Teacher,
Okay, Shiva. We need to find the output. We need to find the output at a time 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 7 minute. We need to find the output at these times. So what is the output at 1 minute, Shabab? 5. Very good. Lot of brothers they are saying 5. Because from 0 to 2 minutes, output is 5. 1 minute is also 5. That's good. What is output at 2? At 2 minutes?
5. And
Very good. One brother wrote Muhammad, he wrote it is changing. Yes. So what we should say? At 2 minutes, it is going from 5 to 15. We need to say that. At 2 minutes, 0, 2. At 2 minutes, output is going from 5 to 15%. From 5% to 15%. So how much at 3 minutes, Shabab? How much output at 3 minutes?
2 to 3 in the equation line.
Very good. Very good. This equation is there. This equation is still, that's why I did not remove it. So at 3, we put here 3. So M of 3, how much? 5 into 3 plus 5. How much about? 20%. Right? You are with me? That's good. Lot of brothers they're saying yes. Okay. What is
teacher, I
the
have a question.
Sorry?
Teacher, we find the error of 5t minus 5.
It is not error, it is output. We are talking about output, not error.
فأنا حبيت أسألك.
Teacher,
Yes.
I have a question about TD. TD not the initial start, teacher, from the output or final
No.
as initial.
That is integral action, not derivative.
Derivative, we must use the formula.
Yes. It is given, already given. This 6 is already given here.
Teacher, if I want the 70. Yes, I put the 7 in this equation, teacher.
Yes, if you need the time at 7, then it is different. For right now, you tell me this output at the 3 is correct or not?
Okay, I'll check. 5 multiplied by 3. 15, yes, it's true, teacher.
Okay. Now we go to the 7. Output at 7 minutes. Yes, Shabab, how much output at 7 minutes?
5.
25. We don't need this equation
25.
anymore. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are saying 25 because the 7 is here. Here. So this is 25. We don't need this equation. This equation is valid from where to where? Yes, Shabab. This equation is good from where to where?
2 to 6.
From 2 to 6. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing. So this equation is good from 2 to 6 up to here. After 6, it is constant. After 6, it is constant, Shabab.
So teacher, I said from in 2 from 5 to 15, and in 6 I said from 35 to 25, like this.
At 6, it is coming from 35 to 25. Yes. At 2, it is going from 5 to 15. Yes.
Okay, fine.
Teacher,
Yes, brother.
could you please explain the difference between integral and derivative in the TD or TI?
There is no TD in integral. That is TI. Here it is derivative. That is TD. So there is
Yes, but
no comparison. That is for integral action. This is for derivative action. You get my point?
yes, but the
There
difference
is
for
no
the T.
comparison between them. When we do the comparison, if there is something similar, they are entirely different. One is for the integral action, one is for the derivative action. Okay, Shabab, there is another problem we have here. That's we need to solve.